the well-used XR80 2002 that I picked up for my oldest son. Yeah, she's definitely seen better days. Does have pretty good returnability for the steering though, so that's good. But I started stripping this down, and yeah, the whole back end was quite loose. I knew the suspension was a bit bad, but I just cracked this fork. Wonder what colour this will be. Oop, dust. Oh, look at that. Hey, something coming out of it. That's tasty. I'll drain the rest of that out later. Ugh. Right. Now I'm sure you've noticed that. What's that? That is a performance upgrade there. What a thing of beauty. I mean, top work, really. See, the links are a bit toast. Dry is a dry thing. A couple of broken bits. Kickstand, I'll have to weld that up. Swing arm is dry as a bone. But yeah, the joys of buying used motorbikes. Oh, and there's a CRF 50 up there as well. That's 2004. I've slowly been rebuilding that as well. Hoping to have all these things done for Christmas, but we'll see. Just really well looked after. But the engine's sweet. So that's something at least. Now I can't help but wonder if they've actually put a rear tyre on the front, because that seems monstrous. It's a 316, but yeah. I did spend a bit of time and polished the side cover. Looks really good. I mean, you know, got to think of the positive. Nice AliExpress Renthal bar pad for like $7. The E50, I got the plastics for like $60. They don't fit perfect, but a lot cheaper than genuine, and if they get dropped, who really cares? And why is it the graphics are better from China than they are from Honda? I mean, to me, those graphics look great. Boring. Great. But yeah, I'll throw up a few more videos and see the progress coming along. I have to order me a heck of a lot of parts right now, but I do have some here already. I knew it was coming. But yeah, we'll see how it goes.